On the occasion of National Unity Day, Thoubal District Police organized National Unity Run for Unity, in the memory of the efforts and the sacrifices and the vision of Sardar Shri Vallabhbhai Patel in building this nation. And police teams, CRPF, BSF ran 8 kilometers from Thoubal District Headquarters to Kongjom War Memorial. And no place better than Kongjom War Memorial to celebrate the occasion of National Unity Day. And followed by that, we also took a solemn pledge on Rashtriya Ekta Diwas to ensure and to fight and to stand for the unity, integrity, security, and to ensure the internal security of the country is maintained. And after that, we also planted trees, considering the future, considering the environment protection, and for that reason. And the same day, on the same occasion, various police stations and OPs, they will also be organizing their own events to mark this remarkable day on 150th day of Sri Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Thank you.
Commander.
To spread this, I take action. I also show contribution. Jai Hind.
사람이 컸나? 나오로.